study in Royal Holloway, University of London. My major is entrepreneurship. I very like this major. You know, innovation is entrepreneurship main concept. I think I'm an innovative and creative person. For example, in some consistency, I will deal with problems with innovative mind rather than traditional approaches. Apart from this, I very like traveling, cooking, riding bike, and photography. You know, I have a great passion to life. I think life is very interesting. I'm very confident. Even if I failed a lot of times, I will try it again to reach my best. Thank you very much.
I sometimes lie in these letters, try to